Yep, this is the new suburbs, the new development. All the birds are hanging out, and then, oh boy. Oh, sad.
Nothing we had there.
No.
I just want to see them eat suet.
Yeah, I know, me too. I'm really hoping for woodpeckers with the suet. Oh my god, we have 4. We have 4 birds.
Yeah. Yeah, they're all just
How,
having dinner.
house sparrows.
Getting on their own little spokes. Look at them. All 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and a 5th.
Oh, a junco. Documented junco. New species. New species.
Get out.
Yep.
He heard. He got wind.
He scared away 2 out of the 4 house sparrows, but we have a new
oh,
species.
Oh man, dinner time's over.
That's a great image.
And then I got the blue jays up in there.
Oh yeah.
Right, he's like, oh shit.
Yeah.
Now that guy's like, oh, Junko. Oh, nope, not Junko. Family. It's family again. Cardinal, you tell him what's up. That's the pimp. Cardinal's the pimp. It's got that vibrant suit.
Yeah, he's so red.
And he's just like, yeah.
He's so red.
You gonna let my hookers do what they gonna do. They gonna get their fill. Right, because the Junko is like a junkie.
Yes.
And just wants all the seed for itself.
Yeah.
And then meanwhile,
We have a birdapalooza. We have 3 waiting. We have at least 3 or 4 or 5 on the thing. This is silly.
look at that pretty one. Look at them all over.
I know.
This is what I was afraid of, by the way.
What?
They're taking over.
They seem to be.
Boy. Oh boy, the birds. They're swarming the house. Look at. They're off into this feeder. You ready? Do it.
Holy shit.
Look at him.
Holy shit.
It's brown. It looks like a duck.
I think it's a juvenile cardinal. I'll compare it with the book.
It looks so tiny,
Yeah.
but also big. And how do you achieve that?
Oh my god, what are you? What's the new species? Northern flicker started a trend, and now all the birds decided that they're sleeping in the grass.
Wow, look at his wings. They're so pretty.
It's like a postcard. Look at him.
He's getting ready to poop.
Those wings are super pretty. You don't really notice that, do you?
Maybe you should feel better, Holmes. That's how I look when I'm on the toilet. Gotta waddle it out a little bit, you know, rock it side to side, get that shit out.
You're like David Attenborough.
Yeah, pretty much. Just gotta keep it going. Watch you go and poop.
That, my darling, are bluebirds. Bluebirds.
No way. Where?
On the fence, on the fence, on the fence. Eastern bluebird. Check this out.
Oh.
Right on the fence. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Oh, it's gone. Here, let me show you what I
see them.
Holy crap.
So yeah, those are different.
Oh, okay, look at my screen.
Oh yeah. Wow, there they are. I can finally be right.
A bluebird.
Bluebird, not blue jay this time, but bluebird. Get some water. We're going on our walkies.
That's crazy.
I think it's so exciting.
That's crazy. I was just filming here. Not even trying to find new species.